12.3. There it is. So it's just 3 minutes to 12.3. So this section, it's last section notched up a level. It's all the same stuff. We're going to have an A sub n formula. We're going to have an S sub n formula. It's all the same stuff. I'll give you the formulas right at the top of the next exam. It's just notched up one level. Notice we have an A sub n right here. Notice where the n is. He climbed to the power zone. Exponential, right? We're going to do that now. The first, we'll just start right here. They say find the first 4 terms. So what are the first 4 terms? Well, let's just plug in 1. What do you get when you plug in 1? 4 to the 1, 4. What do you get when you plug in 2? 4 to the 2, 16. What do you get when you plug in 3? 4 to the 3. Calculator will tell you it's 64. What do you get when you plug in 4? 4 to the 4, what's that? 256. Write out the first 4 terms. That's called a geometric sequence. These are just commas. There's not plus signs. That's not S sub n, is it? Everybody, same idea in this section. A sub n means commas. S sub n means sum plus signs, right? So these are just commas. What's happening from term to term there? What's it adding every time? Nothing. You could say add 12 on the first one, but that add 12 won't work for the next one. It's not adding 12 every time. What's it doing every time? It's timesing. Do you see, this is a notch up. Instead of adding the same number every time, it's multiplying the same number of times. This is called a geometric sequence. It's not arithmetic, it's geometric. It's up a level. And they want to know not the common difference, but the common ratio. So that's the 4. And it's called ratio because if you divide any number over the previous number, 16 over 4, you get 4. Don't you? Is that all they want? All right. So let's try this one. So we have that formula. It's minus 4 times 1/5 to the n. There's the formula. So let's plug in 1. Get minus 4 times 1/5 to the 1, which is just minus 4/5, right? The minus 4 is over 1. Goes to the top, right? Minus 4/5. Let's plug in 2. So that's going to be minus 4/25. Is that okay that I just go quick like that? Right, that 5 is squared in the bottom, 25. Plug in 3. It's going to be minus 4 over 125. Plug in 4. Minus 4 over 625. Commas. No, that's not S sub n. It's just A sub n. We're just listing them. And what's the ratio? What's being done from term to term?
1 over 5 to a power.
So how does this become that? And how does this one become that one? And etc. What's being done every time?
Well, it's multiplied to 1/5.
It's multiplying by 1/5, isn't it? Right? Because the only thing that changes is the bottom times 5. So it's going times 1/5. Do you see that? The top isn't changing. Remember, the ratio is just the change. The minus 4 is already there. The minus 4 is not part of the change. The change is what's happening in the bottom. The ratio is 1/5. All right, well, we're out of time.